Pass by value and pass by reference in C++, very closely related to pointers. We can actually use pointers for pass by reference, and we can also use a more C++ style way of doing things. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I mean by value and reference. I'm going to create a function called void swap. It's going to take a double A and a double B. And the whole goal of this function is going to be to swap the values of A and B. So I'm going to create a temp double, and I'm going to assign it to A. I'm going to reassign A to the value of B, and then assign B to the value of temp. So in the main function now, I'm going to create two doubles. Double A is equal to 1, and double B is equal to 0. And I'm going to call this swap function. I'm going to pass A and B, and then I'm going to print out the values of A and B. Now, if this swap function were created correctly, we would hope to see that A takes on the value of 0, B takes on the value of 1, and we print 0 and 1 in the console. So let's go ahead and run this. And you'll notice we don't get 0 and 1, but we get 1 and 0. So our swap function isn't swapping the values of A and B. Why is that? Well, right now we are passing A and B by value, which means a copy of A and B is being created on the stack, and then the operations within the scope of the swap function are being completed before those automatic variables are destroyed. What we're actually trying to do is directly address the values of A and B in memory. To do this, we can use a pointer. So we can do double asterisk, we use a star, here and here, and now we're passing the pointers to doubles in memory. So we can dereference these pointers and assign their value, just as in our previous video. And now, if we run this, we can see that we effectively swap the values of A and B in memory because we get 0 and 1. So we're effectively reassigning A to B and B to A. What's more of a C++ way of doing this? Well, the dereferencing of pointers can get relatively confusing, so we can get rid of these stars and just use an ampersand. Then we're going to be passing by reference directly. So throw an ampersand here, throw one here, and then if we run this, we will also have effectively swapped the values of A and B. So when we started, our swap function didn't work. That's because we were passing by value, and now we have two different ways of passing by reference. Thanks for watching.